You're now watching Cần Thơ News of Cần Thơ radio and television station. Here are today's headlines. At its 42nd session, the National Assembly Standing Committee discussed a draft resolution on the structure, functions, and powers of its specialized agencies. Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính chaired the 10th meeting of the National Committee on Digital Transformation, reviewing 2024 progress and setting 2025 tasks. Nam Cần Thơ University Medical Center to offer free medical checkups and medication in Cần Thơ in mid-February 2025. Top news today. At its 42nd session, the National Assembly Standing Committee deliberated on a draft resolution outlining the organizational structure, functions, and powers of its specialized agencies. The proposed restructuring plan envisions a streamlined configuration with 7 committees and the Ethnic Council. The draft resolution on the organizational structure, task, and specific powers of the National Assembly specialized agencies, as well as their numbers, structure, and regulatory framework for these agencies, received broad support for the development of a formal National Assembly resolution. Following the restructuring, the National Assembly will consist of the Ethnic Council and 7 specialized committees. Members of the National Assembly Standing Committee focus on key issues, including advisory and support units for the Ethnic Council and committees, as well as their relationship with the National Assembly Office. In his directive remarks, National Assembly Chairman Trần Mẫn emphasized the need for clear definitions of authority between the National Assembly, the government, and other state agencies, ensuring consistency in legislative work while addressing only fundamental principles. He reaffirmed the existing structural approach, noting that specialized departments will be integrated into the Ethnic Council and committees. However, he stressed the importance of coordinating logistics and personnel matters with National Assembly Office. On the afternoon of February 16, Prime Minister Phạm Minh Chính, Chairman of the National Committee on Digital Transformation, chaired the 10th meeting to review the committee's activities and Project 06 in 2024, outlining key directions and tasks for 2025. In 2024, Vietnam's digital transformation, especially Project 06, made significant strides. The country ranked 71st in the UNE Government Index, reaching the very high level for the first time. Online records processing hit 45%, and the digital economy grew to 18.3% of GDP, the fastest in Southeast Asia. Retail e-commerce revenue reached $25 billion, and VNEID activations exceeded 55.25 million. The national database saw major improvements, cleaning 35.1 million driver licenses and verifying biometric data for 56.8 million banking customers. The Prime Minister directed ministries, sectors, and localities to accelerate digital transformation in 2025, ensuring breakthroughs and meeting targets set in Resolution Number 3 and Politburo Resolution Number 57 on science, technology, innovation, and digital transformation. He emphasized online processing at all levels, rapid completion of electronic medical records, student data, and criminal records. Comprehensive digital transformation across all sectors should support an 8 to 10% economic growth target. On February 7 morning, the Cần Thơ City Party Committee convened a conference to honor outstanding party members and secretaries of regional hamlet party cells for their exemplary contributions in 2025. Mr. Đỗ Thanh Bình, member of the Party Central Committee and Secretary of Cần Thơ City Party Committee, was in attendance. To implement Plan Number 362, the City Party Committee directed the review and commendation of outstanding party cell secretaries and members. A total of 671 were recognized at the district level, with 95 proposed for city-level commendation for their dedication and excellence in local political work. Acknowledging these contributions, Secretary Đỗ Thanh Bình urged party cell secretaries and exemplary party members to enhance the quality and effectiveness of grassroots party organizations, improve party cells activities, and strengthen their role as a bridge between the party and the people. He emphasized the importance of active participation in party building efforts, political system development, and contributions to economic, cultural, and social progress. Furthermore, He highlighted the need to uphold the policy of encouraging and protecting dynamic and innovative categories for the common good. Party cells in hamlets and regions should foster unity, mutual support, and social stability while promoting grassroots democracy regulations, community conventions, and the development of cultural residential areas. Building on the success of 2024, Cần Thơ City Tax Department will dedicate all its resources to surpassing revenue targets in 2025. In 2024, Cần Thơ City Department collected 12,082 billion Vietnamese dong in budget revenue, up 11.4% from 2023. It enhanced oversight of electronic invoices for new and existing enterprises and implemented tax authority-coded e-invoices from cash registers, achieving 72.2% of the 70% target set by the General Department of Taxation. The department also enforced directives from the Prime Minister, Ministry of Finance, and General Department of Taxation to strengthen e-invoice management in petroleum and retail businesses. Following its implementation for over a month, Decree 168/2024 of the government, which outlines administrative sanctions for traffic violations, has demonstrated initial effectiveness. Notably, positive shifts in road traffic safety have been observed, particularly during the recent Tet holiday. During the recent 9-day Tet holiday, traffic safety improved significantly compared to the previous year. According to the National Traffic Safety Committee, there was a notable decrease in all three key criteria: number of accidents, fatalities, and injuries. This positive trend aligns with a sharp decline in alcohol-related and speeding violations. The Ministry of Public Security reported that 445 traffic accidents occurred nationwide during the holiday, a significant reduction compared to the same period in 2024. Notably, authorities handled only 17,146 cases of alcohol-related violations, a substantial decrease from over 37,000 cases last year. Similarly, speeding violations dropped dramatically to over 13,000 cases from more than 24,000 in 2024. According to the Ministry of Health, nearly 1,000 measles cases have been recorded nationwide since the beginning of the year, with most patients unvaccinated or under-vaccinated. Measles cases, primarily affecting children aged 6 months to 9 years old, are concentrated in northern provinces. The National Children's Hospital reports treating 60 severely ill children, many requiring ventilation due to pneumonia. Medical professionals emphasizes that most severe cases involve unvaccinated children. Those with underlying health conditions are those who sought medical attention late. January alone saw 300 measles patients admitted to the hospital. Along with that, influenza remains a significant public health concern, with an increase in flu cases recently reported in northern provinces. The Department of Preventive Medicine warns that winter-spring weather conditions, including monsoon climate and fluctuating humidity, create favorable conditions for the spread of infectious diseases, particularly respiratory, digestive, and zoonotic infections. Common diseases like dengue fever, hand, foot, and mouth disease, and vaccine-preventable illnesses may see increased cases. The Ministry of Health urges localities to closely monitor disease outbreaks, especially respiratory infections, severe viral pneumonia, and illnesses prevalent during the spring festival season. Authorities should also strengthen border, community, and healthcare facility quarantine measures to control outbreaks, prevent severe cases, and reduce fatalities. Nam Cần Thơ University Medical Center, in collaboration with Khôi Nguyen Investment Group and Won Kwang University Hospital in Korea, will host a free medical examination and medication program for residents of Cần Thơ City in mid-February 2025. The organizing committee will provide free healthcare for 3,000 to 5,000 patients from the afternoon of February 16 to the morning of February 19. Activities include medical examinations across various specialties: internal medicine, surgery, dermatology, obstetrics and gynecology, pediatrics, dentistry, and traditional treatments like acupuncture and electroacupuncture. Participants can also experience Korean culture, receive free eye exams, glasses, prescriptions, nail care, and haircuts. Quang Quang University Hospital, a leading Korean medical institution with over 100 years of experience, will offer a blend of modern and traditional medicine in examinations and treatment. Coming up next is the weather forecast. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.